loaded up, ready to take this trip. Let's go get some parts installed. Tab, performance 2 and 2 headers, and this here is my the cam, the zippers camshaft, my upgrade. Hopefully getting it done today. We'll keep you updated. Yeah, I'm here at Cherokee Choppers. Just got the bike back. Got the new intake breather. 468 zippers cams. The headers, 2 into 2. So this is what we're rocking with right now. I'm gonna crank it up for you, let you hear what it sounds like. Got Douglas Wheels Finest right there, so I'm glad I didn't open it up. But as you can see, the rain is coming. I was thinking about, just riding for a while, but I'm not gonna do it.